Hello and welcome to my video tutorial about how to use Rich Editor on Moodle. I would like to start this task from the very beginning, so I will press this button and add a new discussion topic, and here is my message. The subject is Rich Rich Editor, and basically the Rich Editor is already open. If I want to change it into slightly poorer, I can change it by pressing this button here. I need some text to work on, so let's take let's take, for example, this text and paste it here. Oh no, I have to use Control button. Okay, so obviously I have here some links, so I should unlink it first, and here are the unlink button and link. So now we have the text, and I would like to change the font size first because the letters are too small. Let's change it into these more eye-friendly font. Okay, font family. I like comic, but it is not here. Okay, Arial is okay. Right, as the text looks a bit dull, we will enrich it. Let's put a title to it, and I can now change the paragraphs, and let's take the second as heading 2. Good. Obviously the letters here are bolded. I can bold some more letters here. The italic, but we have some italic here. Okay, let's bullet some parts of the text, or we can put numbers here. Okay, if I change here to number 1, this will automatically change to number 2. Right, looks better. Let's upload a photo. I must say I always have a problem with uploading a photo, and I expect this tutorial to be no different. So I can choose a photo from Wikimedia, or I can choose a file from my computer. Actually, I keep a lot of things on my desktop. Okay, which one? Okay, maybe this one. Okay, and I would like to upload this file. Right, it is obviously a big one. Let's change its appearance. Alignment, let's say baseline. Okay, and I can press now. Are you sure? I'm not, but I'm very sure. And this is it. We have a nice photo. I can change the size of it. Okay, and Happy New Year, everybody! Let's put a smiley next to it. Yeah, I can find it next to, and a big grin, because I didn't have too much trouble with the photos. Okay, I don't need another number. What else can we do now? Okay, this is if you want to insert video, or embed files. I can obviously underline some of the text, okay, but crops. Oh my god, I will just return it, undo the unwanted actions. I can strike through it. Subscript. Okay, this looks like math, so I will skip it. And it's also different ways to align the text. And we come to my favorite part, which is adding color to the text. Let's change this sentence into some nice color, red, and also to make it more striking, let's bold it. And now we can select, for this little part here, we can select some other color. Green is a nice color. And we can highlight this part of the text. Fine. Okay, yellow. Okay. Good. So again, here's some maths, I would say. And this is special characters. So we can use that as well when we want to write in Greek. For example, actually, I started learning Greek, but only had a couple of lessons. Insert and edit table. Okay, so oh my god, it's already 7 minutes, so I should finish the tutorial. Thank you for listening, and see you